Good morning. Now we see largest among three numbers C program. In C program, first we write the system library files. Hash include stdio.h. Next file is hash include con.io.h. stdio.h is used for input output functions. Con.io is used for clear screen. Then we start in main function. To find out the largest among three numbers, we need three input. So first we declare the variables int a, b, c. The next one is CLR, SCR. It is used to clear the output screen. The next statement is printf enter the three numbers. It is displayed in output screen. Scanf. It is a input statement. We need three input. %d, %d, %d. It is for integer format specification. Ampersand a, ampersand b. It is address location of three variables. It is a input statement of C language. Now we find out the largest number using the if statement. If a greater than b and a greater than c. For example, if a equal to 10, b equal to 3, c equal to 5. In this situation, a is greater than b and a is greater than c. Both the conditions are true. Immediately print a is greatest value. In this percentage d is used to print the a value 10. If input is 10, 3, 5, then immediately the output is a is greatest 10. Otherwise else. If any one of this condition is false, surely b or c is a greatest value. Now we check b and c. If b greater than c, printf b is greatest. For example, if input is a 5, b 10, c equal to 3. First we check the condition a greater than b. 10 greater than a value is 5, 5 greater than 10. This condition is false. So it goes to else block if b greater than c. Now b value is 10. Which one is greater than c value? So it displays this message. B is greatest 10. If this condition also false, surely c is greatest value. If the input is a equal to 5, b equal to 3, c equal to 8. If we give this input, first condition is a greater than b, 5 greater than 3. This condition is true, but a 5 greater than c 8. This condition is false. So come to else block. If b greater than c, now b value is 3. Which one is greater than 8? This condition is false. So in this input, it displays c is greatest. is the largest among three numbers C program. Next program is check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. To check one person is eligible for vote or not, we want to check the age. Now we write the program. Main, the input is age. If person age is greater than 18, that person is eligible for vote. Otherwise, not eligible for vote. This statement is displayed in output screen. Printf, enter the age. The next statement is input statement. Ampersand age. Now we check the condition. If age greater than 18, the output message is printf, the person is eligible for vote. Else, otherwise, printf, the person is not eligible for vote. Simple if condition is used here. So output of this program is enter the age. It displayed by printf statement. The next statement is input statement. We enter the age 22. Let's check the condition. If age is greater than 18, it is greater than 18. So the output, the person is eligible for vote. Thank you.